This is where photosynthesis happens. The palisade cells are translucent to let light go through into the leaf. Photosynthesis. We're now on the micrometer scale into the shell of the cell organelles and like the Golgi allowance, ribosome reticulum, and rhizome nucleus, the blue membrane around the nucleus, and the purple blobs. Those are the mitochondria. Mitochondria. And that yellow